Tired of getting your FIFA 24 shots saved? It's time to learn the art of the chip shot, the ultimate finesse to embarrass goalkeepers. The chip shot, or lobbed pass as it's sometimes called, is your go-to for those moments when the keeper rushes off their line. Here's how you execute it while running towards goal. Hold down the left bumper on Xbox or the L1 button on PlayStation. This is the crucial modifier that tells the game you're looking for a lofted shot. Now, while holding that modifier, aim at your target crucially. Aim slightly above where you want the ball to go. Think about lofting it over the goalkeeper's outstretched arms. Then, press the shoot button. The power you apply is key. You want a gentle touch, typically around 2030% power. Too much power and it'll sail over the bar. Too little and the keeper can easily save it. Practice this gentle power so it becomes second nature. You'll know you've got it right when the ball arcs beautifully over the advancing keeper. When is the best time to deploy this move? The classic scenario is when the opposing goalkeeper rushes out of their goal to close you down. They leave a gap above them, and the chip shot is perfect for exploiting it. It's also effective from just outside the box or even from a bit further out if the keeper is positioned slightly off their line. Be mindful of the context. If the keeper is deep in their goal or you're at a very tight angle, a regular shot might be a better option. So, to recap, hold L1 or pound, aim slightly high, and use a gentle shot. Power it takes a little practice, but mastering the chip shot will add a whole new dimension to your FIFA 24 attacking game. Give it a try and start scoring those cheeky goals.